Keeping it real, right here on Stu's channel.
This is where we normally fly. I'll show you in a bit. So yeah, if you can't fly, might as well boat it. This is how it's done now at our field. You've got to get a kayak first, and then you can fly, because this is where we fly now. If you've been playing Ark, you're probably expecting, like, I don't know, a Spinosaurus or something to come over here and swallow up some saber-toothed salmon, but if not, then disregard that last part. Negatory, Captain. I was gonna catch this for you.
I need to get some speed here.
Yes, sir.
I need to be coming from the far end.
Yeah.
And throw it up as I'm getting, coming closer.
All right.
Hope to see you back here on Stu's channel.